So if you need to change your wipers on a BMW F10, what you have to do is put the car on and off straight away, and then pull the wipers up twice, and it'll bring it into service mode. It'll stay up like that, because if the wipers are down, for security reasons, you can't remove the wipers. To remove the wipers, very simple. You lift the arm up, you just turn this, you pull off. Like so. Just comes off. Always place it back down slowly, just to make sure you don't smash your windscreen while you take your new ones out to replace. So here's the new one. Match it up to the old one. Make sure it's the right size, as it is. Lift the arm up. Place that hole over there. Lock it down. Job done. And you do the same for the second one. And then basically that's how you change your wipers on the BMW F10 5 Series.